To trade a mutual fund, go to Make the Trade at the top of the page and click Trade Mutual Funds. Mutual funds always trade in dollar amounts, so whenever you buy a mutual fund, you'll be entering a dollar amount in this field here. When you sell your mutual funds, you'll be selling a number of shares. So in this case, where I'm buying my mutual fund, I want $10,000 of this mutual fund. Then I enter my symbol, which is the symbol of the mutual fund here, which will load a quote. This will also show a performance chart of how this mutual fund's performance has been for the last day. Click Preview to preview your order, which will update your order including the commission, and click Confirm to place your order. Mutual funds do not day trade, so since I place this order here right now, this will not appear in my portfolio until after 5 p.m. tonight. You can see the status of your outgoing orders by going to My Portfolio at the top of the screen and clicking My Order History. You can see here my mutual fund order has been placed, but it will not execute because it's not going to execute until the market closes tonight.